How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your Facebook. Now if you're logged into a single account already, head over to the menu section on the bottom right and then scroll down all the way. There you'll find the logout option. Tap on logout and then log out of your account. Now right there you should see the multiple accounts on your Facebook. Now, if you want to remove that account, what you'll need to do is simply tap on the three dots on the top right and there you'll see remove profiles from this device. Simply tap on the remove option for the profile that you want to remove and then tap on remove. After you do that, you'll have removed multiple accounts from your Facebook and then you can continue with a single account. And that is how you remove multiple accounts on Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.